हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल सीजीसी आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स पर। बाय द वे, मेरा नाम अमित कुमार साव और आप सभी लोग हमारा चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो गाइस, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अकाउंटेंसी का 2024, 2023, 2020, 2019 में कौन कौन सा 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आया था वो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। सो गाइस, सबसे पहले हम लोग अकाउंटेंसी का 2024 में कौन कौन सा 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आया था वो मैं बताता हूँ। आंसर एनी 3 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस 8 into 3 equal to 24. Question number 5 guys, distinguish between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. Question number 6 guys, explain the average profit method and super profit method of valuation of goodwill. Question number 7 guys, Manoj purchased machinery for rupees 99,000 and spent rupees 1,000 for its transportation on 1st January 2020. He writes off depreciation at the rate 10% on diminishing balance method and closes his books of accounts on 31st December every year. He added another machinery for rupees 50,000 on 1st July 2022. Write up the machinery account and depreciation account up to 31st December 2023. Question number 8 guys, Utkal Textiles Limited issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as rupees 2 on application, rupees 6 on allotment, including premium of rupees 3 on first call and rupees 2 on second and final call. Applications were received for 25,000 shares which were allotted on pro rata basis. All the calls were made and amounts duly received except that one shareholder holding 100 shares failed to pay both calls money. Pass the journal entries for the above transactions. Question number 9 guys, from the following particulars of Bimal prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2023 and balance sheet on that date. Particulars rupees. Sundry debtors 5 lakh 20,000, cash in hand 23,900, motor car 2 lakh 20,000, salaries 84,200, sales 29 lakhs 20,000, motor car expenses 61,100, insurance premium 24,000, creditors 2 lakhs 20,000, furniture 35,000, purchases 14 lakhs 56,000, sales return 26,000, opening stock 1 lakhs 14,000, rent, rates and taxes 36,000, cash at bank 62,000, wages 2 lakhs 30,000, machinery 2 lakhs 40,000, general expenses 26,800, carriage outward 16,300, capital 3 lakhs, carriage inward 20,400, fuel and power 2 lakhs, drawings 80,000, provision for doubtful debts 35,700. The following additional information is to be considered. 1. Closing stock as on 31/12/2023 was valued rupees 3,50,000. 2. Goods worth rupees 20,000 were distributed as free samples. 3. Outstanding salary rupees 28,000. 4. Prepaid insurance premium rupees 6,000. 5. Create reserve for doubtful debt at 5% on sundry debtors. 6. Depreciate machinery and furniture by 10% and motor car by 20%. So guys, अब हम लोग अकाउंटेंसी का 2023 में कौन कौन सा 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आया था वो मैं बताता हूँ। आंसर एनी 3 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस 8 into 3 equal to 24. Question number 5 guys, Twinkle Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. The amount was payable as rupees 2 with application, rupees 5 on allotment and rupees 3 on first and final call. Applications were received for 49,000 shares. All were allotted all the amount you were received except the call money on 200 shares. These shares were profited and later issued at rupees 8 per share as fully paid. Pass the journal entries for the above transactions. Question number 6 of the guys. Write short notes on any four of the following. A. Goodwill. B. Sacrificing ratio. C. Fluctuating capital. D. General donation. E. Capital fund. Question number 7 of the guys. Distinguish between single entry system and double entry system of bookkeeping. Question number 8 guys. From the following trial balance, prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet of Pallavi for the year ended on 31st December 2022. Her closing stock at the end of the year was rupees 20,000. Opening stock debit rupees 15,000. Purchases debit rupees 2,25,000. Wages debit rupees 10,000. Salaries debit rupees 24,000. Rent debit rupees 16,000. Insurance debit rupees 2,000. Bad debts debit rupees 5,000. Carriage outwards debit rupees 2,000. Depreciation debit rupees 1,000. Sundry debtors debit rupees 50,000. Drawings debit rupees 15,000. Furniture debit rupees 10,000. Cash in hand debit rupees 5,000. Capital credit rupees 50,000. Sundry creditors credit rupees 30,000. Sales credit rupees 3 lakh. Question number 9 of the guys. Mamuni purchased a machine for rupees 1,05,000 on 1st January 2019 and paid installation charges of rupees 5,000. The machine has a residual value of rupees 10,000. Its estimated useful life is 10 years. It was decided to write off depreciation under straight line method. The accounting year of Mamuni closes on 31st December every year. So the calculation of depreciation and machine account for 4 years up to 31st December 2022. So guys, अब हम लोग अकाउंटेंसी का 2020 में कौन कौन सा 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आया था वो मैं बताता हूँ. Answer any 3 of the following questions. 8 into 3 equal to 24. Question number 5 guys. A limited issued 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each to the public payable on application rupees 2 per share, on allotment rupees 3, on first call rupees 3 and on second and final call rupees 2 per share. Applications were received for 1 lakh shares which were allotted on pro rata basis. All money due were received with the exception of final call on 2,000 shares. Pass journal entries to record the above transactions in the books of the company. Question number 6 of the guys. Ravi purchased a machinery for rupees 5 lakhs. Its estimated life is 10 years and its residual value is estimated at rupees 1 lakhs. It is decided to write off depreciation at the rate 10% per annum under diminishing balance method. So the machinery account and depreciation account for the first 4 years. Question number 7 guys. Anu and Binu were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. Their balance sheet on 31/12/2019 was as under liabilities rupees sundry creditors rupees 1,20,000, bills payable rupees 30,000, reserve fund rupees 2,10,000, capitals Anu 6 lakhs, Binu 4 lakhs 80,000, rupees 10 lakh 80,000. Assets rupees cash in hand rupees 50,000, cash at bank rupees 1 lakhs 90,000, bills receivable rupees 90,000, sundry debtors rupees 2 lakh 10,000, closing stock rupees 2 lakhs 70,000, furniture rupees 70,000, machinery rupees 5 lakhs 60,000. On the above date, they admitted Chinu as a partner for 1/4 share in future profit. Chinu brought rupees 3 lakhs as capital and rupees 90,000 towards its share of goodwill. For this purpose, closing stock was valued at rupees 3 lakh, furniture at rupees 60,000 and machinery at rupees 5 lakhs 20,000. Pass journal entries for the above transaction and prepare the opening balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Question number 8 guys. Distinguish between single entry system and double entry system of bookkeeping. Question number 9 guys. Distinguish between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. So guys, अब हम लोग अकाउंटेंसी का 2019 में कौन कौन सा 8 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आता है वो मैं बताता हूँ. आंसर एनी 3 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस 8 into 3 equal to 24. Question number 5 guys. Nayak and Co Limited issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each payable as rupees 2 on application, rupees 5 on allotment including premium, rupees 3 on first call and rupees 2 on final call. Applications were received for 15,000 shares which were allotted on pro rata basis. Both the calls were made and Delhi received expect one shareholder holding 200 shares who paid both the calls money on allotment. Pass the journal entries for the above transactions. Question number 6 guys. Mohan and Nayan started a partnership on 1st January 2017 with a capital of rupees 3,75,000 and rupees 2,50,000 respectively. On 1st July, Mohan introduced a further capital of rupees 1,25,000. During the year, Mohan and Nayan withdraw rupees 75,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. Interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate 5% per annum, but no interest is to be charged on drawings. None is to be allowed a salary of rupees 12,500 per month. The profit for the year before charging salary and interest amounted to rupees 5 lakhs. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and capital accounts of the partners. Question number 7 guys. Vivek purchased machinery for rupees 4 lakhs on 1st January 2013. Depreciation is provided at the rate 10% per annum on the diminishing balance. On 31st March 2015, 1/4 of the machinery was sold for rupees 56,000. On the same date, a new machinery was purchased at a cost of rupees 1,50,000. Write up machinery account for the first 4 years, assuming that the accounts are closed on 31st December every year. Question number 8 guys. Write short notes on any 4 of the following. A. Forfeiture of shares. B. Bearer debenture. C. Accrued income. D. Gaining ratio. E. Goodwill. Question number 9 guys. Distinguish between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करना. ठीक है गाइस. जय हिंद, जय भारत.